it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make the twist gatefold card. This is a fun fold card that I saw on Donald Shefsky's blog, and I just had to make it. It's so quick and easy, and I have been making all kinds. I've got 5 more samples to show you, but before I show you my other samples, I'm going to show you how to make the twist fold gate card. It is a tongue twister. I'm starting with a piece of cardstock that is 4 1/4 inches by 7 1/2 inches, and I scored it at 2 1/2 inches and 5 inches to create 3 different sections. Then I'm going to cut score diagonally on the first and third panel from the top corner to the bottom. So diagonally from the top to the bottom, and that is the base of our gatefold card. So let's bring out the paper trimmer, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So your paper trimmer has 2 blades. It has a scoring blade and a cutting blade. So you're going to be using the scoring blade for this card, and you're scoring vertically at 2 1/2 inches and 5 inches. And then you're going to score diagonally on the first and third panel. So I'm lining up in the cutting track my corners. So I've got the corner here, and then the other corner is a little tricky, but it's right where that score line is. And I'm gonna hold the cardstock in place and score from the top corner down to the bottom. I'm gonna do the same thing on the third panel, from the top corner down diagonally to the bottom corner. And that's what the scored cardstock looks like. We're going to use a bone folder to get a nice good crease. And you're going to fold the cardstock in, and then you're going to fold the diagonal out. You're going to do this on both sides. Fold it in, and then fold the diagonal out. And they meet in the center. So easy. So that is the base of the card. Then for the designer paper, you're going to need 2 pieces. Each piece is 3 7/8 inch by 2 1/4 inches, and you're going to cut them diagonally in opposite ways. So the flaps that are going to be on the top are the front flaps, and so you're going to cut that from corner to corner, from top to bottom diagonally, and then the under flaps, which are going to be for the underneath part of the card, you're going to cut the opposite direction, so still diagonally. So those pieces are going to go right on here, and I put mine all the way up to the folds, and for the outside all the way against the fold, so that we have the outline here. So for this card, then I use the same size piece. The white cardstock inside is also 3 7/8 inch by 2 1/4 inch. You just don't need to cut it. And then I added the embellishments here. So here's the Rooted in Nature one. Here's a few more samples. I made this one with my stamp club this week. We used the tailored tag punch and the truly tailored stamp set, along with the True Gentleman paper, and created this one. So this one kind of opens the other direction instead. So because this embellishment was so long, I didn't want it to interfere with what was going on in the middle, so we just had that open long ways instead. So there's that one. And then here's one using the Myths and Magic designer paper. This is from the Occasions catalog, and it's already sold out, but just a really quick and easy card with those designs. So it's a little mermaid birthday card, and then some of the ribbon trim on that. The only thing you have to be careful is that you're only putting adhesive on one side so that you don't glue your card shut. 2 more samples. This one was in my May 2018 project kit for the people who placed an order with me. So this is a little, I used the cat punch and the thoughtful banners to do the words on this one. The black and white paper is the Petal Passion paper that's in the Occasions catalog. And then one last one. I wanted to show you that it will fit, this card fits in a standard size envelope. So this last one uses that new Love What You Do designer paper. And again, it's just got I used the thick Whisper White cardstock so that it was a little bit heavier for the card base, and same measurements for the designer paper. So that is the twist gatefold card. As you can see, I have been having all kinds of fun making so many of them. I hope that you like this card and that you'll give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and share this video, and subscribe if you don't already for more new videos. I'll have new videos all this week. Thanks for watching. Bye.